Hello, my beautiful people. Hope you are doing well. Today, I got these beautiful dinner rolls to make. It's irresistible, like they are fluffy and buttery. Check the list of ingredients in the description box. However, it is also displayed on the screen. Follow this step-by-step recipe and you will not regret it. Now let's begin. So I'll be using an electric mixer. I'm using instant yeast, 15 ml, 300 ml whole milk, strong bread flour. So that's 4 cups I'm using just to highlight. I add my sugar, half a cup, 5 milk salt. If you're manually going to use your hand at this stage, you may still want to use a spatula because of the wet ingredients. Now add 1 egg, 1/3 cup powdered milk equals to 40 grams. I'm using a 75-gram butter. Now we are going to make our dough. Beat with an electric mixer for few minutes and continuously scrape down the side. That's why you see me use that red spatula. So we will do that as I indicated for roughly 5 to 6 minutes until the dough is well combined. At this moment we can see the changes in the dough, and it's thoroughly mixed. Now I will remove the dough out and place it in an oil bowl. As the dough is just kneaded, it will look a bit bumpy and lumpy. However, we got to allow the dough some time to rest, and this allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to shape the dough into its final form. We are going to allow it to rest for 20 minutes, and now I'm back. I'll take the dough again and then put it in the electric mixer. At this stage, I am going to be kneading the dough thoroughly for 6 to 8 minutes. This process is equal to kneading the dough on a lightly floured surface until it's smooth and elastic, about 15 minutes. And now we are going to take the dough out and then put it in a bowl. But prior to putting it in a bowl, you have to form the dough in a round shape, then the bowl, and cover it. So we are going to allow it to proof, to rise. And this can take a while. Roughly for me, the longer the better. For 2 hours. I left this thing for 2 hours. Now the dough has rise. I'm going to punch the air. Now I'm doing this like Mike Tyson. I'm just like punch it like I'm fighting somebody. But you know, that's just by the way. Now I've floured my surface. I transfer the dough on the surface, cut or divide my dough into 16 to 18 pieces, equal pieces to be precise. Next, shape the pieces into balls, and you will repeat the process for each, and place them in a baking tray. So I've already lined my baking tray with parchment paper. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. If you are watching until this time, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Balls are shaped. Next, we cover and let it rise in a warm place. You can put a cloth on top until the dough double in size. This lasted for like 30 to 45 minutes. As expected, our dough has increased in size and it's time to prepare the egg wash. To make our egg wash, you need 1 egg and 2 tablespoons milk. Mix them together to combine and then just brush it on the rolls. Ensure all the rolls are well covered with the egg wash. If you are happy with this recipe until this time, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and leave your comment and let me know what you think. Bake rolls in the preheated oven until golden brown on top, like wow, voila. This looks so amazing. I'm so excited. Just look at this beauty. Oh my days. This is so amazing. My beautiful people, follow this recipe and you're not going to regret. And can I just rectify? I have 20 rolls. Amazing. So I guess I was never strong in maths. Now let's look at this soft, succulent. Like you can serve warm and enjoy with the family. That's my nephew. Thanks for watching.